Have you ever cooked a meal that made everyone in the house suddenly quiet because they were too busy enjoying the food? Well, that is exactly what happened the day I made this fisherman soup. My Cocoa Nibs, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Kitty, and on this channel we turn simple ingredients into delicious meals filled with flavor and a little storytelling. Today I'm showing you how I made this rich, hearty and absolutely comforting fisherman soup. And trust me, this is one of those soup that tastes even better than it looks. Now before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video and turn on your notifications so you never miss another delicious recipe from my kitchen. Let's get started. The first thing I did was prepare my fish. I started by slicing my clean catfish into nice portions. Fresh fish is the art of fisherman soup, so getting it ready properly is very important. Once the fish was ready, I transferred it into my cooking pot, then added stockfish, snails, pepper, bouillon cubes, a little salt and some water. I covered the pot and allowed everything to start cooking together so the flavors could begin to build. After a few minutes, I opened the pot, checked on the soup. As it was gently boiling, the aroma at the point was already amazing. Next, I added pepper soup spice and generous splash of palm oil to give that soup that beautiful color and deep flavor. Then I added my thickener, ofor powder, mixed with a little palm oil and gently stirred everything together so the soup could start thickening nicely. Once that was combined, it was time to add some freshness to the pot. I sliced some Uziza leaves and added them into the boiling soup. Uziza leaves brings a unique aroma, slight peppery taste and makes fisherman soup even more fresh, special. Then came the next ingredient that gives the soup its beautiful texture. I added my chopped okro. The okro helps give the soup that slightly slimy and rich consistency that many people love. But if you are not a big fan of okro, you can always skip it. At this point, I was supposed to add periwinkle, which is a traditional ingredient in fisherman soup, but unfortunately it was scarce in the market that day, so I couldn't find any. Still, the soup was already looking incredible. Now, I gently stirred the soup, combined everything, being very careful so that the fish wouldn't break apart. Fish can be delicate, so this step needs a gentle hand. After stirring, I covered the pot again and allowed the soup to cook for a few more minutes so that all those beautiful flavors could come together perfectly. And just like that, the fisherman soup was ready. Finally, it was time for the best part, plating the delicious soup. I carefully served it up. As you can see, it looked absolutely rich, flavorful and inviting. This is the kind of soup that pairs perfectly with your favorite swallow, and trust me, every spoonful is pure comfort. My Cocoa Nibs, if you enjoy cooking with me today, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below and share it with someone who loves delicious homemade meal. And remember, from my kitchen to your heart, I'll see you in the next delicious recipe. Bye.
In the kitchen light, we gather round. Food lover diary where magic's found. Bold flavors dance, innovative twist. From simple bites to a feast we can't resist. Moms in the lead, kids by your side, create